Banking and Finance Review is a leading brand name in the world of finance and banking. Their awards were created to recognize companies of all sizes that are prominent in particular areas of expertise and excellence within the global financial community. Since its inauguration, the People's Bank, based in Sri Lanka, has provided financial assistance and served people from all walks of life. Beginning with the rural farmer, then expanding to serve individuals, entrepreneurs and corporates across the island of Sri Lanka, while also engaging in international trade, which led to the establishment of the People's Bank Investment Banking Unit as part of the bank's Treasury Department back in 2011. This provides a full range of services, including financing and advisory services, initial public offerings, debt structuring, fixed income security trading, loan syndications, facility agent and trustee services, and securitizations. Now, Global Banking and Finance is pleased to announce that People's Bank has been awarded the fastest growing investment banking unit Sri Lanka for 2018. We invited Mr.N.Vasantha Kumar, Chief Executive Officer and General Manager, to our London studios to receive the award. And later we spoke to him about the bank's success. Mr. Kumar, welcome very much to London. Thank you for being with us, and indeed congratulations on your award.
It's an honor to me to be here today and receiving this award, and the credit should go to my team.
Well, let's look at some of the work that you do at the People's Bank, and particularly the investment unit. What do you think were the initiatives which led to the success and the award today?
People's Bank ethos embodies its name, the bank for the people, by the people. Frankly, that's been our success for the last 58 years from its inception. From the high technology to hands-on, to face-to-face with our customers, over 10 million, we deal with that. We look into their requirements and tailor-made for them.
Excellent. And let's perhaps now look at what the opportunities are within the banking sector in Sri Lanka. How do you see that, and how do you see your involvement in those opportunities?
Yeah. People's Bank Investment Banking Unit was established in 2011. There are opportunities. With the Basel III implementation, a lot of financial institutions go for their capital. So you'll have to issue some debentures and things like that. So there's an opportunity for the People's Bank Investment Bank Unit to help other financial, non-banking financial institutions to achieve that.
In your investment unit within the operation, what kind of services do you actually provide?
We help other institutions to issue debentures, the internet IPOs, then the securitizations, other things called advisory services, etc.
So you have these range of services, and indeed the unit itself is separate. Well, I say separate, it's part of the main bank. What led you to decide to actually do that, to set up that investment unit?
Because state-owned bank, we thought a lot of opportunity for us, because some of the government institutions need our services, and we expected this Basel III would need arises for other institutions to issue debentures and to raise their capital. Anticipating this, we initiated this establishment of the investment unit in our bank.
And obviously it's been very successful, and I know that in today's society technology plays a very important part in finance and indeed in banking. How much technology have you actually incorporated in your day-to-day operations?
Very much. We are really, we say our technology, that is the going forward, technology is going to do everything. So now we are embarked on digitization, another level of the technology advancement, and People's Bank is leading that digitization at the moment, and for that our bank has been selected as the best digital bank in the country.
So really you would see yourself as a technology leader then within the country?
Exactly.
Has it involved a huge amount of investment as well?
Of course, yes. Need a lot of investment as well as a lot of training to the staff.
Yes, like yeah. And what sort of staffing levels do you have?
Whole bank we say approximately 10,000 staff, People's Bank.
And you mentioned there obviously about the technology and how important that is. What would you say that has led to with regards ongoing projects? What kind of projects are you looking at developing over the coming months?
Yes, so the project, as I mentioned earlier, most of the financial institutions are looking for raising capital. So we are already started on working with them to issue some debentures. And also we are starting on the custodial services for the most of the government institutions.
And all that is happening in the near future. Looking ahead to the rest of the year for 2019 onwards, what would you see the year looking like, not just for your company, but for the banking operations in your country as well?
It's a very challenging year. It's very, very challenging year with the economic and with the Basel III implementation and the capital requirements. It's very going to be a very, very challenging year. A lot of opportunity for us, our investment banking unit.
What would you like to see actually happen, or what would you like to achieve, would you say?
I would like to say we are honored to have this thing, continue with this good work and to enhance our ability further.
Well, obviously it's a success story and you have gone from strength to strength over recent months. I'd like to wish you all the success for the future. Congratulations. Thank you so much for coming to talk to us today here in London, Mr. Kumar.
Thank you, and it's a pleasure for me to be here today, and all credit should go to my team for me to receive this award.